and we have come up with a small game for us to play today. So this game will involve a bit of clapping and a bit of jumping. You don't need massive amount of space for this, you can do this in socks or shoes that you feel you're most comfortable in. So the idea of this game is very simple. We're going to give you a piece of music, and on the first beat of the bar, we're going to do a clap. The other 3 beats in the bar are going to be simple jumps on the spot. 1, 2, 3. Or you can do 3 hops on one leg, or, I don't know, 3 turns, 1, 2, 3, whatever floats your boat. On the second bar of music, the clap will move from beat 1 to beat 2. So that bar will look as 1, clap 2, jump 3, jump 4. This is a running theme, so on the first bar, the clap will be on 1, and then on 2, and then on 3, and then on 4. So if we were to do that all the way through for you, we'll do clap 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The music is pretty swift, so this is going to be quite interesting. Let's see if we get it first time. The music is quite swift, so we will be counting along with you. Don't be afraid, don't be scared, just have fun with it. You ready? We're going 5, 6, 7, 8, clap, jump, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, again! 1, 2, 3, 4. Between cuts there, this is told me that my brain wasn't quite in it. So we're going to do that one more time, all the way through. We're going to do it twice through. Same as last time, let's give it one more go. Alright, we got it. Got it?
Got it.
Right. 5, 6, 7, 8, clap. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, clap. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hey! So we're going to do it through once more, but this time we're going to take it up a slight notch. So with the clap, we're going to add a turn at the same time. And the rest follows as before. 2, 3, 4. So this will follow the exact same pattern as last time. We'll do it nice and slow all the way through from the beginning. Without the music, just to take the edge off a little bit. So to begin with, we have a clap and a turn. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Oh, she's gone again! So let's do it through all the way from the beginning, with the music this time, same music as last time, so it is fairly swift, but don't know that when you are through, you're absolutely fine. Alright. We start with a clap and a turn straight away. 5, 6, 7, 8, clap. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh no! So this time we're taking up one more notch to the most advanced level. This time the first bar will be odd numbers on the claps, and then the second bar will be even, and then we repeat odd, even. So we will be clap, jump, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. If you're feeling really adventurous with this one, you can also add a turn with every single clap. We're not going to demonstrate that, it's totally up to you. Unless you want to demonstrate that.
Okay.
Alrighty, we have a volunteer. So the only variation with this one, if you're adding the jump and turn, which these will demonstrate, is that the jump will happen with the turn rather than the clap happening with the turn. So for example, we have clap, jump, turn, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's do it all the way through, really slowly, nice and chilled, without any music. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Very nice. So let's do it all with music, all the way through. Hopefully it doesn't go too out of shape. This time we're going to do it 4 times because it is fairly fast. And also once you get into it, it's a nice rhythm to it. So, let's give it one more go. Alright, last time, from the beginning, all the way through. Good luck. 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 5, 7, clap, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, again, clap, 1, 2, 4, Lucy and I a few more than 10 times. It was a real struggle, but we got there. Yeah, thanks very much for doing this exercise. I hope to see you again.